How to fix can't install Instagram from Google Play Store. So if you want to fix can't install Instagram from Google Play Store, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Play Store application. Once you open, tap on the profile, which is on the upper right, and here you need to tap on settings, and here you need to tap on network preferences, and under that you will have app download preference. Tap on it, and here you will have three options, right? You need to tap on over any network, so tap on over any network, and once you choose, tap on OK, and then remove that, and you need to open up your settings. Once you open, scroll down and go for apps. Under that you can go for see all apps, and then you can open up your Google Play Store, and once you're here you need to go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache on your Google Play Store, now your problem will be fixed. So now you can go back to the program or go back to the application, and then you can go and install it, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix can't install Instagram from Google Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.